See, the material world is a place of ups and downs. But sometimes the downs go way down. And when this happens, this is what is dharmasya glanihi. When the downs go way, way down, that is the time there is an emergency. And say in our temples also, in our normal places, there are some problems. We try to deal with the problems. If the problem is a little more difficult, we escalate to our immediate authority. But if there's a huge crisis, then we have to go right to the top. So this is a crisis that has come over here. And the devatas, seeing the power of these deadly demons, have gone to Brahma. And they are expecting that Brahma will go to Vishnu. But Brahma is telling here, no need to go to Vishnu right now. Brahma is saying that actually this all is ordained by Lord Vishnu. So the devastation that Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu are creating is arranged by the Lord. And he goes and tells the backstory of how Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu were Jaya and Vijaya.